With Canva, teachers and students can easily collaborate no matter where they are. In this video, we will learn how to encourage the whole class to collaborate, customize learning resources with bulk create, add students to designs for collaborative activities, and use folders to collaborate on group projects. Let's get started. It's easy for the whole class to collaborate on Canva using edit links. Let's see how with this template. Customize the template and task so it's ready for your class. Ready to collaborate? Hit Share. Select anyone with the link or only your school and set the permissions so that people with the link can edit. Remember that if you select anyone with the link, then anyone who receives the link can open it. You can change these permissions anytime if you wish. Then just copy the link and share with your students via email, an LMS, or QR code. Let's look at how to quickly prepare an activity where multiple students can work on their own pages at once. Select a template and tap Bulk Create. Enter or upload your students' names. Connect the data to an element in the design, like this. Then apply the data and generate the pages. A new design will open with a page for each student. Switch to Grid View here. And add page titles if your students require more direction. Your design is ready to share. Just provide students with an edit link and let the collaboration begin. Planning a lesson that includes a collaborative activity? Let's look at how we can encourage group collaboration. Find and customize an activity template. Make copies for each group here. Stay organized by naming each design. Ready? Add students to the design here. Watch as they open the design and work together. Want your students to collaborate on a group project? Creating folders within your class area will keep things organized and direct your students. Let's create a folder for a math group project. Then let's create subfolders for each student group. Perfect! Now we can add students to each group here. And change the permissions so they can edit. You can add or upload designs for students to use during the project. And students can create new designs here. Or they can move designs to this folder during the project here. Only students added to the folder will automatically have edit access to designs added here. With folders, group work is much more organized, making feedback effortless. You and your students are now ready to start collaborating in Canva.